Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the video classes of St. Joseph's Academy for class 5th, subject English Grammar, topic lesson number 31, letter writing, prepared by Durga Thapa. Students, our today's topic is lesson number 31, letter writing. Students, in this lesson, we will learn what is letter, why we write down letter, and what are the kinds of letters. Students, first of all, we will get to know what is a letter. Students, a letter is a written message which is sent to someone, usually in an envelope and by post. So it is a long message, usually sent in an envelope or by post. Students, there are two kinds of letters. That means letters can be divided into two categories. The first category is personal or social letters, and second is formal or business letters. Students, the first category of letters is personal or social letters. Now, what are the social letters? Letters which are written and sent to relations, that means relatives and intimate friends, are called social letters. The second category is formal or business letters. The letters which are written and sent to government officers, newspapers, business concerns, dealers, and traders are called business letters. And students, they also include letters of applications. That means the application which we write down to our class teachers and principals, they are also known as the formal letters. Now let's study the next topic, that is the form of a letter. Now students, each kind of letter has its own distinct form. The writers of all kinds of letters must pay their attention to the following points. That means when we are writing a letter, we have to follow some rules for writing it. The first point is heading. Heading includes place and date of letter writing. Number 2 is salutation. Students, salutation includes various forms of greeting as dear brother, dear sir, respected madam, reverend father, etc. The third point is body of the letter. Students, body of the letter includes the contents of the letter. Number 4 is subscription. Subscription includes polite expressions for ending the letter as yours faithfully, yours sincerely, yours obediently, etc. Fifth point is signature. Students, signature includes the name, signature, or the designation of the letter writing. Number 6, address. It includes the address of the recipient, that means the person who has written the letter, and it is always written on the envelope. Exercises for personal or social letters. Question number A. Write a letter to your friend inviting him to your sister's marriage. Now students, Here, this letter we have to write down to our friend. That means this is the personal letter. Okay? Students, when we are writing the personal letters, first of all, we have to write down our own place and the date of the letter. That means, first of all, we will write down our own address. Here, the example of address is house number 125, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. Now, students, after completing the address, we will leave a line and then we will write down the date. Now, today's date is 11th February 2021. Now, students, date is over, so we will leave one line again. Now, next comes the salutation. Salutation means because we are writing this letter to our friend, so we will write down dear friend, and then you have to write down the name of your friend. So here, dear friend Shagun. Now comes the body of the letter. It means the content of the letter, why we are writing this letter. So here is the content. How are you? Hope you are fit and fine. I am very happy to inform you that my sister's marriage is fixed on 20th February 2021. I want to invite you for the same. That means I want to invite you for my sister's marriage. Then next line, subscription. That means we have to conclude it with the polite expression. That means we have to end the letter. So do come with your family before 2 days. We will enjoy a lot. Now students, here comes the signature. That means it includes the name and the designation. So here we will write down your loving friend because we are writing to our friend. So we are also friend to him. So him or her. So your loving friend, and then you have to write down your own name. For example, Neha. Okay. Question B. Write a letter to your younger brother scolding him for having neglected his studies. Now students, here you have to notice that this letter you have to write down to a younger brother. That means your younger brother is your relative, so it is a personal letter. And the topic is, that means you have to scold him for having neglected his studies. So this should be in the letter of the body of the letter. For personal letter, first of all, we will write down the address. Okay, that means the person who is writing the letter will write down his own address. Okay, so the address is, for example, house number 401, Gulmohar Enclave, Rajnagar Extension, Ghaziabad. Now students, because the address is over, so we will leave a line here. Next, date. Date is 11th February 2021. Now after completing the date, we will leave one line again. Now here comes the salutation. Because you are writing to a younger brother, so dear brother Laddu. Next comes the body of the letter. I came to know about your result and I became very sad that you are neglecting your studies. You got very less marks which are not good for your future. I have decided to stop sending you pocket money. Neglection of study will not be accepted. Pay proper attention. Now comes the signature. That means your brother and name you have to write down. You have to write down your own name. So for example, Rahul. Okay. Now the next topic is formal letters, which includes applications also. So question number C, write an application to the principal of your school requesting him to grant you sick leave for a week. That means this is a sick leave. Now students, let's begin our sick leave, that means the application. Now students, when we are writing the application, we have to write down to whom we are writing this applications. So here we are writing this application to our principal. So to the principal, St. Joseph's Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. After completing this address or place, we have to leave one line, and then we will start our date. Today's date 12th February 2021. Now students, date is over, so we leave one line. Next is subject. Here the subject is sick leave for a week. Why we are writing this application? The subject is sick leave for a week. Now after completing this, we will leave one line and then we will write down the salutation. So here the salutation is Reverend Father, and after that we will put a comma and then leave one line, and we will start the body of the application, that is, I want to say that I dash, that means here you have to write down your name. I want to say that I dash a student of class 5th A, B, C, D. You have to write down your section. So here I want to say that I dash a student of class 5th section of your school. I am suffering from viral fever, so I won't be able to attend the school for 1 week from 13 February 2021 to 19 February 2021. I request you to kindly grant me leave for the same. After that, you will write on the subscription, that means the polite expression of ending the application. So I shall be highly obliged. After it, you have to leave one line thanking you. After it, again you have to leave one line, yours obediently, that means salutation, signature. This is the signature. So yours obediently. Again here you have to write down your own name. Okay. The next application, the question is, write an application to the headmaster requesting him to grant you leave for a week as you are going to attend your cousin's marriage. Now student, this is the application and you have to write down this application to the school headmaster, that means the principal of your school, for requesting him to grant you a leave for a week. Okay, so let's begin the application. So let's begin our application. So students, here we have to write down the place, that means address of your school to whom you are writing this application. So here you have to write down the application to your principal. So the application goes like this. The principal, St. Joseph's Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. So this is the place. After place, completing place, we have to leave one line and then we will write down date. So today's date is 13th February 2021. Now after completing the date, we will write on the subject for our leave. That means subject leave for a week. Now after completing the subject, we will leave one line and then we will start our salutation. So here the salutation is Reverend Father, comma, again we leave one line, and here comes the body of the application. I want to say that I dash. So in this dash, you have to write down your own name. For example, I want to say that I Kirti Chaudhary, a student of class 5th. Now again here you have to fill the blank with your section. For example, class 5th A. So here the body is I want to say that I, Kirti Chaudhary, a student of class 5th A, won't be able to attend the school for a week, comma, from, now we have to write on the date for the week, that means from which date you are not coming, you are not able to attend the school. So that is 15th February 2021 to 21st February 2021. As I'm going to Agra to attend my cousin's marriage. Now here the reason for leave is to attend cousin's marriage. So after that I request you to kindly grant me leave for a week. Now here comes the subscription, that means kind request, it means polite expression for ending the application. So here it is goes like this. I shall be highly obliged. Again you have to leave one line. Thanking you. Again you have to leave one line. Yours obediently, that means signature. Yours obediently. Here in the blank space you have to write down your name. For example, Kirti Chaudhary. Okay. Thank you students for watching the video. Have a nice day.